Hi, my name is Griffin Shear. I am hoping to soon be teaching high school social studies. I I studied secondary social studies education at Indiana University. I am hoping to teach ninth through 12th graders in the subjects of world history, United States history, and United States government. My teaching philosophy. I am first and foremost a strong believer that every single child deserves the opportunity to learn and grow through receiving the best possible education that can be provided. I believe it is my job as a teacher to make sure I am giving every student the resources and encouragement to pursue knowledge in the area that I am teaching. I believe different students often need to be taught in different ways, and it is my job as their teacher to find the ways that help them learn most efficiently. I believe that learning can and should be fun and interesting for my students. Everything I will do in the classroom I teach in will reflect these beliefs. Technology in the classroom. I understand that the world is rapidly changing due to the speed of advancement of technology. This is also reflected in my teaching philosophy. I envision teaching classes that are immersed in technology as much as possible with the resources that are available to my students. If I am teaching in a school that is fortunate enough to provide a computer or tablet to every student, I envision teaching entire classes without handing out a single piece of paper. If I am in a school that does not provide technology to every student, I will endeavor to do as much as possible with the technology available, such as utilizing possible school computer labs or other alternatives. My hope is that while my students are learning about history, they will also learn to be more skilled with new technology that will help them but be prepared to go into a world dominated by technology. Artifact 1, the Chatterpix badge. It is important because it showcases a unique technology which can be used in many creative ways. It can be integrated into my classroom as an introductory activity that is led by a historical figure. 2. The Internet Safety Presentation. This artifact is important because it showcases the value of a good slideshow presentation. It is well made and could potentially be used to introduce the topic of Internet safety to students in my class. It is also an important example of collaboration between teachers, as I worked with several other students to design this presentation. Artifact 3, the digital production video. This is an important example of my work because it showcases the value of a concise video covering a complicated topic. This video can easily be implemented into my future classroom as it effectively covers a topic that I enjoy teaching my students. Artifact 4, the Timeline Badge. This is a very important example of the value of an effective digital timeline. It is very important because it helps outline an important and complex period of history in a way that is digestible for students. It can also easily be integrated into my classroom as it covers an important aspect of American history in a very effective way. Reflection. In my future classroom, I plan to use technology whenever and wherever it makes learning easier for my students. This will probably be quite often, though not constantly, as technology can sometimes needlessly complicate learning experiences. Overall, W200 taught me a ton about the integration of technology into the classroom. I now have many ideas that relate to using technology with my future students. The most important lesson I learned in W200 is about the importance of using trial and error when it comes to using technology in the classroom. Some technology tools are excellent and greatly increase the positive experiences of learning. Some technology tools do more harm to the experience than good, but the important thing is that teachers constantly try new strategies in order to try to improve their students' education.